Hi there, hope you're doing well. I am back with the next of my Zombicide Undead or Alive playlist. This is Pablito. I primed him black and given him a white zenithal highlight. To get started, I based the bottoms with leather brown. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. His jacket type of thing has a pink hue to it in the artwork, so I've gone with glistening gums as the base coat. For what little you can see of his shirt, I used Vampire Fang. The sombrero gets a quick once over with light brown by AK Interactive. Next up is his skin. I went for sunny skin tone for this. The longest part of this mini is black grey. This is for all the leather parts and the shoes. I don't want to do the hair pure black either, so I use that for this as well. He has a bandana around his neck in the card art that looks like it's a bit of off-white colour. I don't have anything that truly matches this, so I went with warm grey, just to at least preserve that off-white look. Since the card art he is wearing the hat, I took a bit of a guess with the colour of the bandana. I went for red with this as it's red band around his waist and it kind of made sense to make them match. Getting started with the highlights, I used cork brown to lighten up those bottoms. next highlight, I realized I've done this the wrong way around. I grabbed magenta and started highlighting the pink jacket with this. This came out much darker than those glistening gums, and it looks a little bit weird up close, but once you look at a distance, it's not that bad. For the sombrero, I pretty much covered the entire thing again with golden brown, just leaving the darker parts where the shadow would hit. There's enough exposed skin on this mini that I feel like I need to highlight this one up, and for Sunny's skin tone, my usual highlight is Elf skin tone. The highlight for the red is done with vermilion. All that dark grey looks a little bit flat, so I'll come in and highlight up with dark sea green. The metal parts get a quick once over with gunmetal. You can wash this mini with coloured washes and it really sells those different tones, but in the spirit of keeping things a bit simpler and faster with this mini, I washed the entire thing with light tone, just making sure not to let it pull up where it shouldn't do. Finishing up, I used Plague Brown to give the base that sand colour look. And that will be it for Pablito. Considering I've done the pink backwards, it still came out pretty well, especially for a speed paint. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.